casual dress cause lots of problems. Most employees say it's okay. Fashion is a brand. Fashion is span in the neck. She wore stylish shoes. She wore dark coat. That's a very hot time. She's very fashionable Laura's. It's an old fashion umbrella. I I love her elegant tennis skirt. They're they're very comfortable loafers. What an upper what an offensive vest. I really like it. I like I like to stand out a crowd. It's important to dress well. I don't like to attract attention. I'm a lot of comfortable in subdued colors. Colors. They vary. They may cost. They may cost. They may. They may cost. They may cost a bit more. The buses. The buses in the Marine are elegant. Elegant.